Welcome to this meditation to guide you to your inner wisdom, to your inner knowing, a place where you can make decisions, big or small. Before we begin, grab a notebook, pen and paper, just somewhere where at the end you can write down any insights that might come up. And when you are ready, you find yourself in a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Allow your body to get more comfortable right where you are. Maybe stretching, rolling the shoulders back, a gentle stretch of the neck. Allow the body to get really comfortable. And as you slowly settle into the space where you're supported, allow your eyes to close and begin with a few deep breaths, exaggerating the movement in your shoulders as you breathe in and out deeply, enjoying the release of tension with each breath. And then allow the breath to be in and out through your nose. Your breath finds its natural rhythm. And the muscles across your face begin to smooth. And as your thoughts come and go, using the breath to bring you back. I want you to silently repeat in on your in breath and out on your out breath. Just letting thoughts pass by. Now slowing the breath down. And the edges of your eyes are soft. Sensing a slight coolness of your inhale and the warmth of your exhale. Your jaw is slightly open. Just noticing what the body needs to get more comfortable. So now I want you to begin to bring to mind what you've been thinking about. The decision or choice that you're facing right now. And this choice can be something big or something small. Whatever it is that's been on your mind and that you've been thinking on. Bring that forward and allow it to take your focus for a moment. When it comes to this decision, what thoughts are there? What are you thinking about? Take a moment in the privacy of your mind and complete these sentences a few times. Part of me is thinking about. Another part of me is thinking about. What else are you thinking about? And having acknowledged what's on your mind, take 3 longer, slower breaths in and out. Now I want you to travel down and into your solar plexus, beneath your ribs and above your belly button. Becoming aware of the feelings you're experiencing when you think about these things. Observe. What are you feeling? And pausing here as you finish these sentences a few times. Part of me is feeling. Another part of me is feeling. Continue a few more times. What else are you feeling? Recognizing what is on your mind and how you're feeling about it. Take 3 steady, slow breaths. And now bring your full attention into your heart. You already know what's on your mind and how you're feeling about it. Let all that go for a few moments. And settling into your heart. And resting here as you breathe. Softening your body as you listen from within. Going beyond thinking and feeling to finding your inner voice of knowing. Listening now from within your heart until my voice returns. you bring this meditation to a close, begin focusing a bit more on your inhalations, helping you become more alert and awake. And now slowly begin coming to movement. On your next exhale, slowly open your eyes and write down what came up for you and what you're more aware of. Enjoy this time of connection to your inner wisdom.